What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon.
Bro,
Welcome back.
look at this
Crazy
dude.
In today's video, we'll do another unboxing. Why? Because he just got a package.
No.
He just got a package. He just got a package. I wonder who it's from. Nah, but seriously, I just got another unboxing. We want to do another unboxing video. If you like these type of videos and you're new here, consider liking this video and subscribing if you're new. Hit the little subscribe and turn on post notifications. In the meantime, let's get to it.
But since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the paint.
I got a really big box, so I don't know if I can fit in the frame, but it's from Amazon. So let's find out what's in my box. Remember my remember my gaming setup video? I did a little thing. That was just the first demonstration. The real full final setup and everything is coming real soon, so stay tuned for that video. I'll link that video up here so you guys can watch that. I will link that video up here. I just gotta get it. But what did I order from Amazon? I ordered studio speaker monitors. So this is the audio box. It was all a bundle too. I'll link this down below of what it costs and everything. This was a whole bundle. I think it was like $230. So it's made for iPad, PC, Mac compatible. You know what I'm saying? Studio. You know what I'm saying? Just get that good audio sound quality. It's everything you come in the box. You do get this video is not sponsored at all, but you do. I'm just showing you what I did order. So stay tuned for my gaming setup, full setup, everything that I have got. And if you haven't watched my last video when I did the unboxing of the HyperX Quadcast microphone, go check that video. I'll also leave that video up here or at the links down in the description box below. Okay, we're back. But this is what you get. You get the Oris Technology Pro Series. This is a balanced interconnect 1/4 inch TRS same cable. It's basically the cable that comes inside the box. Studio monitor, foam pads to help you keep from the rumbling on the table. You know, I'm trying to enhance my quality, so stay tuned for all that videos coming soon. So you get not one, two of them. So we'll be testing. We definitely will be trying those out. And last but not least, you get, these are the PreSonus ERS E3.5 studio monitor speakers. I did purchase these from Amazon, so if you do want to get these, check these out. I'll leave a link to it down below in the description box under the section that says my equipment. My brother just told me to get them because he's a big audio guy. So also check his links down below. His name is Dr. Tracks. He makes music. He has his own recording studio. Just check all that stuff down below. If you need some beats, check the links description below for if you need some beats made, recording studio time, you know, answer. And he makes music on iPad, MacBook. He makes beats all the time. He has his own recording studio. So check that link down below in the description box under the section that says Dr. Tracks. Follow him also. He's the one that told me to get these speakers. But these are the PreSonus ERIS E3.5s. That was everything I ordered from Amazon. If you want to get these same ones, I'll leave the link to it down below in the description box under my equipment. Stay tuned for that. Go watch my last video that I did of the unboxing of the HyperX Quadcast streaming microphone and the Logitech 922X Pro web camera that I got. I'm still trying to set all of that. Hopefully I can use my PS4 camera and the Logitech, you know, the stream. Coming back to the streaming, so the stream. I got a whole big setup though. So, but just go watch that last video. Then go watch the unboxing that I did of the gaming setup video. Other than that, here they are. You get the amp audio thing. I don't know nothing about music, but well, I know basics, but I don't know how to use stuff. It's even got a compatible to Studio One, but since my brother makes beats and he uses Studio Ones and everything else, I'll be having him come over here and set up some beats on my MacBook for me. Or check the links in the description box below under Dr. Tracks if you want to purchase his beats. He got plenty of nice beats. He has tons of them. You know, follow him. He emails real back. He got his own recording studio if you need some recording time. But hey, other than that, this is everything that I got in the box for $230. That's not bad. We get some studio monitor speakers, because normally these one by itself, they're like $150. So I got all this for $230. That's a steal. You feel me? Big fit steal. But that being said, if you did enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe if you're new, share this video around. We're on our way to 600 subscribers. So, you know, all you gotta do is just hit that subscribe button that's right here. Turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Other than that, it's your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV. I'm signing out of here. God bless everybody. Peace.
Thank you.